It's not recording.
Stop laughing. Stop laughing.
One, two, three.
It is officially 3 full days here in Kyoto.
Today's our 4th day.
Because we spent half the day.
It is officially day 4 here in
the
Kyoto.
The day before was the bat skewers, and the one was when we got here.
Oh yeah, John's right.
Then today's today.
Today is a tea day. We have a matcha search happening right now, and then we have kimono tea ceremony later, and then we're going to visit a couple shrines and whatnot, and then of course have lunch and dinner and all that in between. But right now we're going to this place. I'll put the name here. My friend recommended it to me, and it's this 100-year-old tea shop that he said is like absolutely amazing. It might be really crowded, so we'll see what happens. So cute. Update, that tea shop that we went to was open for literally 30 minutes. We got there, the man that was working there only had matcha tea, so I just got one, and my mom's like, I'm not gonna drink it. And then she started smelling, she's like, oh, that smells really good. And now she wants it. So they also give you like instructions. Man that's working there is so cute. Put a little photo if I can't remember if I took a photo. I'll put a photo if I did. But yeah, now we are on a hunt for matcha because he didn't sell matcha, so he just closed down for the day. And now we are in, I don't know where we are. We're exactly where the Nintendo store is, and they have this specific matcha that we've been looking for, and there's a huge line. So we are currently in the queue right now, and there's only 20 grams. There's only 20 grams per person allowed. So I have my family members in here, and we're gonna get a couple grams and try it. We just got these. These are about $8 each, and we got the version that's a little better for lattes. Got 2 of them. Mission accomplished. For lunch, Angelina has chosen Shogun burgers. Angelina has chosen lunch today at Shogun. It's a burger place, and I actually don't really like hamburgers, but we're gonna try the hamburger and combo. And then I got burgers and sour cream. I got a chicken burger combo with french fries. Everyone's burgers look good. My dad just lost his lettuce. I got a chicken. No way. That's a chicken. My chicken sandwich is really good. Let's see what this is. Oh, barbecue sauce. This is extra. Try my chicken one. You like it? Some mayo seasoning in here. That's really good. The chicken itself is really juicy, crunchy. I like to dip it in the hot sauce. Oh, the pit is wagging. French fries, crispy. My dad didn't eat the samurai part.
Rihanna.
To do the tea ceremony, and they just sent us to go get our kimonos. So we're gonna try. My parents have no idea what we're doing right now.
A few moments later.
It's not recording.
Please stop laughing. Stop laughing.
Yeah, they're slippery. Wait, are we still?
The women's on.
Yeah, these are really slippery.
Yeah, especially if you're going downhill.
Ugh.
So.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, so what me and the lady are talking about are the sandals that you can rent at the kimono rental shop. Don't make the same mistake as me. So there's two styles that you can get. One is like a woven straw like sandal, and it's flat. And then the other one is like a kind of plushed, shiny, semi-heeled sandal. And those are extremely uncomfortable, and those are the ones I went with. It's mainly uncomfortable because you're wearing socks and it's slippery. And so with the woven one, it's flat and it's not slippery at all. So it's much easier to wear with the socks that they give you. If you're gonna travel like us, we kind of like walked around the city, took a bunch of pictures, went up hills, stairs, everything. I actually just went back and switched them out, and it wasn't a big deal at all. I would recommend going with the flat ones, but also if you're staying close by and you want the little heel and they're definitely like really cute and you want to take some nice photos with those, you can totally do that as well. Do what you please, but that's what I recommend. Doing the flat ones and going for comfort. That looks awesome. Look at mommy. Jordan looks so cool.
Thanks. Do I look like a tree?
Look at Dan Paul. You guys look so cool. And this is mine. It's a red one. And look at my hair. Cool.
I want to wear these slippers all day.
Mom won't stop laughing. She just keeps laughing.
That looks cool.
She keeps laughing. She won't stop laughing.
That looks like a samurai warrior.
Oh, it's already two. So funny. My mom won't stop laughing.
Today we will be your host, and my name is Aina, A-I-N-A. So it's a pleasure to meet you today. Do you know cherry blossom trees?
Yeah.
It's Japanese BBQ. How's Japanese sweets? Good. Delicious. Oh, thank you. If you like yatsuhashi, you can get it all over Kyoto. It's famous for the Kyoto souvenir, even for Japanese. You can find, we have also chocolate flavor, matcha flavor, and seasonal flavors. And I heard this month seasonal flavor is strawberry. And in tea ceremony, we don't do like coffee, sweets. Wrap the sweets with this white paper, wrap it, and slap it into this small pocket in the sweet. We have a pocket here. But today, please do not put anything in your pocket. Our kimono staff will be confused. Then, from now, she will show you the demonstration of making the tea part. So please enjoy taking pictures or videos if you like. cannot mix strongly because the tail whisk is very delicate and easy to break. Then the bubbles will come up. So two clashy bubbles will mix slowly, like we are writing capital letter M. Then after you make the creamy form, please make a big round circle clockwise, just once, and take out the tail whisk in the middle. This is how to use the tail whisk. So we wanna practice just in the air. So first we mix back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Then let's move to M part. We mix slowly. Then lastly we make the big round circle. Then take the tail whisk in the middle. Okay. This is how to use the tail whisk.
So then, after you make a lot of bubbles, next you write M or N. Then you can whisk only the kind of very surface of the community. Then first step you can do back and forth, back and forth. Like further. So you're writing the number one, number one, number one. Yes, so 素晴らしい。ですかね。Very nice. Then finally you can make one big circle, take out from the center. That's right. Okay. You can put the tea whisker in front of you.
Perfect on the first time.
Did you do a big circle, Jordan?
Mm-hmm.
Angelina's determined.
Oh, looks good.
Does it need more bubbles?
Yeah, it has others.
And place it on the left part. Then put your right hand on the 2 o'clock position. Then move to 4 o'clock position. Again, 2 o'clock position to 4 o'clock position. So now the most beautiful part is facing to the host. Yes. Everyone made it. Thank you. Then please enjoy your tea. Different, yes. It's totally different. So that's not the tea right there. If it's too bitter, you don't need to finish.
Where's my mom? That's okay.
Why do you keep laughing, bro? Yeah. We're gonna take some family photos.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, and Julian, walk like sophisticated. It's supposed to be effortless. Gentle, calm, effortless. Good job, dude. We're making our way to the next temple, and the crowds are insane for 4 p.m. on a Monday. Let me show you. Han, my sister. This kimono has pockets. It's in here. It's inside. Here. Were you able to see it? They put leftovers and stuff in here.
I am the guy.
It's because we keep saying Angelina looks like a koi fish. Does she not? Randomly, my dad would just start laughing and thinking about how Angelina looks like a koi fish. Okay, it's time to go return our kimonos. Wow! Whoa! Angelina has chosen tonight's dinner, and all you can eat Japanese black beef, all you can eat barbecue. So I'll put the name of what this place is called, but should be cool. We got some hot pot, some veggies, some meats. They give you sauce over here, and then I just got like a bunch of Wagyu sets, some pork belly, some random meats.
Agreed.
Our chef Angelina, I'm busy ordering at the moment, so Angelina's cooking. She looks stressed. Everything looks so good. My eating partner today is Jordan. Jordan, your meat is gonna burn over here, okay? Don't forget that it's literally sitting there. We're gonna try a bunch of different types of meats today. I don't know what they are. Let's see what happens.
Oh my god. Turn down, turn down.
I know for sure this is pork belly.
It has the flavor actually.
No,
Yeah.
this is try it.
The shabu shabu meat is good.
How was that meat that I ate that recently?
And pork belly. You have to order everything on your phone, so I'm logged in, making sure our family's fed. That's why I got Angelina extra salt.
Unnecessary ingredient.
That totally necessary ingredient.
I like the garlic though.
Ma.
I didn't even eat ramen.
Whoa, look at these cold noodles. Pause, take a picture of that. 1, 2, 3. We have this bingo card that we were trying to get a bunch of stuff for the kids, and one of them is getting cold noodles, and Paul is sacrificing it for us. Mid check in, Dad. How's it tasting? Good? Dad, good, Dad? Mom? Good. Dan, checking in. Paul? Good? Jordan?
TT, we need some rice paper.
They just called Paul's name and refilled his bowl.
Your stomach's not gonna be destroyed.
And then look at Paul's forehead. He got bit in the head. And I put the sticker that Audrey told us to get. Reporting in, we are currently at 8 Wagyu platters.
We get 2 more.
Jordan, smile. This is vanilla. My dad's already having dessert. We're still eating. Dad says good. We didn't let my mom tap out, but she wanted to have ice cream, but she's not ready yet.
It's really red.
Good.
Jordan, it's burned.
Oh, I just
Run the salt, run the salt.
Jordan, it's
No, I
burned.
We have finished eating. We ended with 4 shabu platters and 8 Wagyu plates, I believe, and 2 pork bellies. Not bad. And the thing is here, how much we normally would pay for like a quarter of our family is how much we pay for all 6 of us. I don't know if that makes sense.
For like, that's about 3 people.
Yeah. The price that we paid is like for the price of 3 people and there's 6 of us in America. And if it was Wagyu, it would be different. It'd be even more expensive there. Yeah, that's cheap.
Wagyu, like all you can eat is probably like
40, 50, yeah. Now we are
okay, you
moving
can
on
that
to
in
dessert.
that.
Jordan got a yuzu sorbet.
No, I don't want it.
It's not devised by dessert.
It's like, it tastes like anything.
It's like
It's like nothing.
soap. Look at Paul's.
Oh my gosh, I didn't order a double. I'll eat that now.
Okay, Paul's gonna taste test.
You got a legit spoon too. We all got plastic spoons.
Chocolate's good.
Chocolate's good.
Yeah. Sweet though. It's so sweet.
Sweet. Angelina?
One chocolate with vanilla.
Mommy? Not good? Daddy?
Okay.
Chưa,
Okay.
chưa ăn mà. Chưa ăn chưa biết.
Ăn rồi mà.
Oh really?
No, you didn't get that last time. This is not vanilla.
Sorbet. So.
Chua cái này, cái van này đấy.
Yeah, it's lemon. Try it. Give it to mommy.
Baby Sosa. Hi, Tammy.
I don't know if she likes what I have.
Chua ăn được đó.
No, give it to mom. She'll like it. I already tried it.
Keep that in the edit and then she'll respond better.
I'm full, but
He always gets the biggest thing.
Call Paul.
Who has jelly?
Everyone's eating their desserts. Jordan's eating like an ice cream popsicle. Okay, we are currently back at home and we are now trying to pack everything without unlocking a new luggage. And all of us brought a check-in and put our carry-on inside our check-in so that when we're at the station, we can just roll one. And that alone has already been tough because there's so many stairs here. Right now, Jordan's luggage and Angelina and Paul's are pretty big. Mine capped out. So this is Jordan trying to pack.
You want to keep the bag?
Yeah. So after
what?
so
what?
after all of Japan is over, maybe that's when I'll do a Japan and Korea haul of all the things that I got. But for now, for all those who want to just see, in this Kyoto trip specifically, I got a bunch of cute little things. I got this green onion chopstick holder.
That's so cute.
Isn't it so cute? It looks like this. I got it for me and my cousin. Ah, so cute. I got the tea this morning. Matcha. They allowed us to get 20 grams each a person. And then my mom got a couple of these sponges. Our hotel had them and she really liked them, so she found them at the store. These were like 50 cents a pack, which there's like 5 in there, so it's pretty cheap. And then we got her a bunch of ginger at the Nishiki market. So Jordan's gonna try to pack all this up now. Let's see if we make it. Tomorrow's a travel day to Hiroshima. Bye!